Okay, this is the first attempt at using the gimbal and see how much we walk around. See how it stays focused on what we're doing. So we're going to take a walk around in the gravel in my dad's backyard and see how this thing handles and if it makes the bounciness go away from the walking. See how steady it actually is. So we're actually going to be working on the International. We got some lumber yesterday. We're waiting on a couple of lumber pieces. This thing actually runs. And we're going to be going in here and we're going to be replacing all of the wood structure to the cab and all of the wood structure up there, and putting all this back in. He's going to leave this thing patinaed, and it actually runs. So we know where to get tires. Obviously you can see that tire's jacked up pretty bad, and we'll be replacing these. They're going to be pretty difficult to do. We went and got a bandsaw last night because it's got a curvature to it, and those pieces go over the door here and connect the cab to the front. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Keep walking and see how this turns out. Just a short little 1-minute clip just to see how things operate and work. I think I can pan. Yeah, I can use that, and I can pan.